You got to move from a evolutionary capability to a revolutionary capability.
Bell's the right company to revolutionize Army aviation, and we're looking to do it again with the excellent capabilities of the V-280 and the Bell 360.
The fact that we can be creative, agile, innovative, bring together the best of industry to produce high-quality aircraft at the rate they're after.
Bell has really tapped into what the future of flight is going to be. So everything that means. How do we innovate faster? How do we think about technology differently? How do we not just focus on the products that we make, but on the experiences that those products can provide?
So we've always been a company that focused on technology and customer excellence, safety, quality, leadership, and talent. That has never changed for 85 years. We were down-selected in both the Army's Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft and the Future Army Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft, FLRAA and FARA. Those are critical programs. The Army must modernize. The Army has well articulated the need for us to advance our technologies and to make sure that we can continue to defend our way of life.
We have got to be able to rapidly adjust to counter the threat of a potential adversary, because they're changing as fast as we're changing. It's a constant back and forth, and we've got to be able to make that change rapidly in order to stay inside the decision loop and stay ahead in capability. It's our ability to innovate quickly and get that innovative technology on the aircraft.
Bell is absolutely the right company to tackle the FLRAA program and the FARA program together. We've come off of a great example of demonstrating execution excellence, I think, with the JMRTD program and the V-280.
We talked specifically about the Future Vertical Lift program, and I think we showed with JMRTD, with the V-280, Army, we met every milestone. We exceeded all key performance parameters, met or exceeded all of them, and we did it on schedule, and we did it within the budget we were given. So that's why we're the right company. And so when you go to the 360, we said, yeah, we can do it. And here's our schedule, and here's the aircraft, and we're going to meet or exceed the expectations.
The roots of Bell as an iconic company has always been grounded in our employees and the skills that they bring in both in the design and the manufacturing of our aircraft. When we look at the future, how do we translate the great work and the integrity that we put into our product, but do it in a way where we can build them at a much faster rate, in a way that we can build them to be reproducible, keeps maintenance costs lower, keeps the aircraft costs lower.
We're a technology company doing everything in a 3D and virtual environment, very automated processes, a very digital type of company.
If you take a look at our success in the Joint Multi-Role Tech Demonstration, this is allowing our customers a significant number of options in terms of schedule adjustments, in terms of informing the affordability and performance of the aircraft. We were asked to design, build, and fly an aircraft in about 5 years and submit a report. We did all of that on time. The only company that's done that in recent history is Bell.
One of the things we're doing in advance of Future Vertical Lift is to build a manufacturing technology center. We realize that in order to produce the aircraft the Army has asked for, that we have designed in the quantities and timeline they've asked for, that we really need to think differently about our manufacturing.
The MTC is focused on how to produce and match process capability to design. When you think about affordability, sustainability, reliability, all those things come back to, can the part perform like it was intended? And can you build the part to how you designed it?
We're well down the path in technology maturation. We're informing our manufacturing processes. We're informing our sustainment processes, which are all critical things in terms of affordability and operational availability. It's a blueprint. It's fiscally responsible for us to carry the momentum of JMRTD into a program of record and get the warfighter the long-range assault capability and the attack reconnaissance capability that he needs.
So I think when I look at Future Vertical Lift and the two opportunities that Bell has to compete there, FLRAA and FARA, the most important thing I would like people to understand is that we're backed up by a team of teams. The FARA and FLRAA teams that we put together are the best in class of the U.S. Defense Industrial Base. So when you think about Bell V-280 and Bell 360, those are not just Bell aircraft. Those are U.S. Defense Industrial Base aircraft produced by the best industries we have in this country, led by Bell.
And that's how we are going to win and meet our commitments. Bell is the right size. If you think about it, we are big enough and our history has shown that we can produce aircraft at high rates. Quality, reliable aircraft that meets the needs of our customer. And I think the Secretary of the Army said it really well when he said, you know, we don't buy PowerPoints anymore. We need to see something that works, understand the risk has been burned down on it. We are a company that said, we're going to do this, and we did it, and we delivered it. And so I think part of being that right company is somebody that says, here's our commitments, we're going to make them, and we're going to achieve them, and you're going to get a high-quality product at an affordable price. And that's what we've done, and I think that's why we're the right company for it.